Hello, guys. So from today, we are starting a new series that will be based on Canvas. As you must have seen in the thumbnail, you already know that I have created many playlists for you that you can check out. And just like every other playlist, this one will also be very interesting. We will use Canvas to create amazing things and learn how to use it in our Discord bot to make it more engaging. I hope you all are excited for this series. If you truly are, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment "I am excited" so that I can know how excited you guys are for this series. What will we do in today's video? Today, we will install Canvas and set up the bot's base, where we will write our code. So I have already created a folder named Canvas Series and opened it in Visual Studio Code. Of course, I won't be explaining how to create a Discord bot or get a bot token, but if you want to learn about that, you can check out my channel, where I have many beginner-friendly videos explaining it in detail. I will also add a link in the description. What is Canvas? Before moving forward, let's understand what Canvas is. In simple words, Canvas is a tool that allows you to generate images using code and use them in your bot. For example, level up cards, welcome cards, leaderboards, and much more, which we will explore in this series. Setting up the bot base. For our Discord bot base, we will use DiscoBase. What is DiscoBase? Let me quickly explain. DiscoBase is a Discord bot handler that provides you with an advanced and well-organized bot structure with many useful features. If you want to understand it in detail, you can check out this video. Link in the description. But don't worry, we will learn everything in this series as well. Installing DiscoBase. To install DiscoBase, open your terminal and run the following command. npx create DiscoBase at latest. It will ask a few questions, just answer them, and you will see that your complete bot structure is set up. Configuring the bot. Now, go to the config.json file and add the following. Bot token bot, ID MongoDB URL. If you don't know how to set up MongoDB, watch this video, link in the description, and set it up. I will now add these details, and you should do the same. Understanding the folder structure. We will create our commands inside the src commands folder. If you want to create prefix commands, you can add them inside the src messages folder. Events like guild join, guild leave, and other event-based functionalities will go inside the src events folder. Functions will be stored in the src's functions folder. The main file of our bot is index.js, where we will handle other setups. Running the bot. Now, open the terminal and type node. As you can see, our bot has started successfully. If I show you on Discord, you will see that our bot is now online. This is where we will test everything for this series. Now, let's install Canvas. To install Canvas, simply open the terminal and type npm install canvas. It will take some time, and once the installation is complete, you can start using it. So if you face any issues while installing Canvas, you may need to install Windows Build Tools and some other dependencies, which you can easily find by searching on your browser. Okay, so now our bot is set up and Canvas is also installed. From the next episode, we will start using it. That's it for today's video. And yes, don't forget to join our Discord server. We have over 2,000 members where you can ask for help if you face any issues. All right, bye.